senator, and then we'll all go to McDonald's.
Thank you.
You will treat them, eh?
Yeah, I will treat them because of you. Because they continue training and they don't stop, then that's incentive.
Sige lang.
Right now, Los Angeles, Senator Manny Pacquiao.
Other side, come on! Go, 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 go!
Senator Pacquiao.
Front seat na naman.
We have a baby here who's not training. Yeah, what's your name?
Baby
Onyo, okay. He's a silver medalist. Okay, the only boxer silver medalist.
733.
But he's supposed to get gold.
What year?
He got robbed.
75.
What year?
2.5. 2.5.
2.5. What year?
2.5 million.
What year did you get silver? Huh? 96.
Yes!
He's still a baby that time. But now, he's a boxer now.
Never mind.
Never mind. He's a very close friend of Senator. Let's give a round of applause to Onyok Velasco.
Velasco!
Ikaw na magpakain, ha?